Lean management is a whole new philosophy of operations management that provides a set of tools and techniques to compete in an increasingly fierce marketplace. After our enriching and knowledgeable first episode on lean management, wherein we discussed its origin, its need, and philosophy, we are back with the next episode. Here we will throw light on creating a lean enterprise, introduce our audience to just-in-time manufacturing along with its important elements.
Welcome to Force Edu, a place where all supply chain enthusiasts come for a weekly dose of knowledge. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, you are missing out on value-adding content.
When we talk about lean management in operations, just-in-time and total quality management are the two principal philosophies that aim at the elimination of waste. In an organization, JIT is concerned with exposing a problem, whereas TQM provides the mechanism for solving problems. Hence, these two are therefore essential enabling factors for any possible lean management framework.
The core logic and the major factor to introduce JIT is the ability of waste elimination in its manufacturing system. Just-in-time inventory system is a management strategy that enables a company to receive goods as close as possible to when they are actually needed.
The first element of just-in-time manufacturing begins with the elimination of waste. As mentioned in our previous video, this is one of the core principles. You can analyze wasteful activities occurring at the plant, warehouse, or else you can also intensify the efforts to identify more efficient ways to add value to the production line. Second, you will have to reduce unnecessary inventory because the excess cost of maintaining can outweigh the potential benefits, tie up resources, slow down your response time, and complicate quality control issues. Overstocking is often problematic as extra inventory can become obsolete. Third, maintaining short production cycles so that you can speed up your response time. Lean management preaches the production of smaller batches. With this, a system that can act swiftly and capitalize on market changes can be built.
Adding on, you will have to make sure that all the product components have been quality tested. Develop testing procedures and control at various checkpoints to detect the problems and correct them at the earliest stage. Post your core product feature development, use a systematic solicit customer feedback to obtain input from customers so that your system is ready to adapt to changes over its lifespan.
We would like to give you the example of Toyota, which very efficiently and aptly works on this logic. In the case of Toyota, raw materials are brought to the production flow only when an order is received and the product is ready to be built. This philosophy has helped Toyota to maintain a minimum quantity of stock, which implies lower costs. This also means that without having to think about disposing of costly inventory, Toyota will react quickly to changes in demand.
Toyota Production System introduced three Japanese terminologies to collectively describe the waste found in the business. These are muda, that is waste, mura, that is overburden, and muri, that is unevenness. These are described as the enemies of lean, and therefore, these three should be taken into consideration simultaneously. Muda, the enemy attributed to waste, can well be remembered by the acronym downtime. That is, defects, overproduction, waiting, non-used talent, transport, inventories, motion, and excessive production. Mura is the unevenness in operation caused by the production system, uneven workplace resulting in the operations to occur in a hurry at taking more than the anticipated time. Muri, the overburdening occurs when the equipment or the operators are required to run at a higher pace and for a long period of time. It can also occur due to too much of muda or mura factor. You can simply understand muri as being beyond one's capacity.
All lean companies strive to eliminate these three wastes. However, well thought of waste removal plan is very much required because these three are interrelated. Like for instance, you can reduce muda to a great extent, but then you will eventually end up increasing muri significantly for that matter. Thus, a holistic approach is a must, and if implemented properly, the end results will be a productive and much more efficient production system.
Thus, We will conclude this video by summarizing lean manufacturing as the idea of just-in-time that looks at it from the perspective of customer value. A business must consider what elements of the product add real value in the lean manufacturing process. The first tenet of lean manufacturing is that something of value must be applied to every step in the production process.
Thank you for watching the video. Check out our previous series on case studies from supply chain and operations perspective and stay tuned to our channel Force EDU for a lot more on lean management.